So what I've got here is a Karcher 100Be electric start. Got a throttle control on the system like normal, so it protects the seal so cold and the valves and everything else. When you let go, the system revs up, revs down. I've come to this machine, and what we were going to do, obviously the customer had that much trouble with the seals and valves already that we were going to put a flow and return system into the machine itself. We're taking it all in bits this morning. What we're simply going to do is there's a belt drive there at that side. Use the belt drive and then space the reduction gearbox off the pulley, which we've done before. But what we've got here, if we look straight away, and this was happening all the time, 2001 during foot and mouth on the diesels and the petrols, we've got, by the looks of it, a snapped crank inside. Now if we start the machine up, you'll hear it as well. What we'll do is take this pulley off altogether. Also what's happened is, you'll see on here, that is also cracked. A big crack on the keyway. But we'll start it up and you'll hear the noise. Like I say, it's completely out of time. This has been at Karcher to be repaired, I'm led to believe. This is ridiculous. Right, stop it. You'll hear it knocking. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.